Today I will show you an amazing nettle recipe that is vegan and tastes delicious. You can find this free superfood right outside your door, by the side of the road, or in your nearest park. While picking them, make sure to wear a pair of gloves to avoid stings. As you can see, it's not difficult at all for something so healthy, delicious and free. After you bring them home, make sure to wash them very well to get rid of all the dirt. Remember, you still need to keep the gloves on while you're washing them and chopping them. And I recommend to pick enough for a few recipes, as you can easily freeze them to use later. I prefer to wash and prepare them right away after I pick them, so all the hard work is done. Chopping them smaller makes it easier to cook the recipe. There we go, it's beautifully ready. So for this nettle recipe, I'm going to blanch them first in boiling water with some salt. After that, I blend them into a paste. And believe me, most of the work is done. Now cook them with some onion, with some chili, some garlic, a few other ingredients that I'm going to show you right now. So first, we fry the onion in olive oil. Then we add some chili and garlic. We fry them just a little bit. Then add the nettle. It's already smelling amazing here. So anyone vegan that struggles to find healthy options, this one is for you. Little work, but believe me, it is worth it. After all, it's healthy, delicious and free. After cooking for 10 minutes, add some black pepper and coconut milk, and you're not going to regret it. By the way, this dish is more nutritious than spinach or broccoli, so I hope I managed to convince you to give it a try, and do let me know if you enjoyed it. Back home, we usually serve this dish with polenta, but you can eat this with really anything. And if you like to see the polenta recipe, then that's in the next video.